In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new user on Monday.com. Whether you're expanding your team or simply need to onboard someone for a new project, this process will ensure they gain the appropriate access quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your specific Monday.com board. Make sure you're logged in and looking at the board where you intend to add a new user. It's important to be on the correct board to ensure the new user has access to the exact projects and tasks that are relevant to them. Once you're on the desired board, look around for the link that says Copy Link. Typically, this feature is easily accessible and will allow you to generate a shareable link to the board, which can be helpful if you want to share the board with others later on. Clicking on this won't invite a new user directly, but it provides a base for sharing access. Next, let's proceed by clicking on Invite. Depending on your current view, this might also appear with a number next to it, indicating how many users are currently invited or active in the project. This action is pivotal as it reveals the invitation options, paving the way for the next steps. Now, you'll need to search for the user you want to invite. You can do this by entering their name, team, or email address into the search bar. This flexibility allows you to find potential invitees with multiple search criteria, which is especially handy if your organization is large or if the person has similar credentials as others. After you locate the person you want to invite, there should be an option to invite them as a new member through their email. This is straightforward as it opens up an interface where you can input the email address of the new user. Enter their email accurately, as this is the primary way they will receive the invitation to join the board. Remember that inviting someone to a board means you're granting them access to the tasks, discussions, and resources associated with that board. So ensure that the email you're inviting is correct and that the person indeed needs access to this particular board. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your Monday.com board. This enables smooth collaboration and ensures that everyone involved has the right access to contribute effectively to your projects. Make sure to check back for any acceptance notifications from the invitee, and you're all set. I hope this guide has made the process of adding a new user crystal clear for you. If you have further questions, feel free to explore more of our tutorials or reach out to support for more personalized assistance. Until next time, happy managing!